Hi guys, it's Cakey Gaming, and today I'm playing Minecraft. But I wonder why I hear a really mystery villager sound. It's like come from the ground. So I wonder. I really want to know, where is it come from? Okay, let me just go down. It's not anywhere. Is it like a mystery village? I wonder where is that sound come from? It's getting close here. Let's try to dig up. Lava, 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 lava. Can you just move a little bit? Wonder if there's any like mystery stuff here. I just wanted to know. Just leave in the comments if you think this is like, if you have that as well in your Minecraft world. That's really annoying. From here. Wonder if somebody that's good at like tricking or something at flying. I'll totally set as default. Don't know why, but still. But I'm not gonna say the people that telling the truth. I'm gonna just make my voice loud. Hey, let me just try to get a water bucket and also this, and guys, look at this. Really weird. It's getting closer here. Whoa. That's really weird. Also, I'm gonna present to you guys a new building, but I guess I'll just do another video. Because I want to call this something. Okay. Don't know, but I just think this is really weird. Right. Okay. This is really weird. Well, it's coming all kind of froze. Haven't finished my castle yet. Why when it's over here, it's not even loud? Here it's loud. So this is the clue, guys. It's somewhere here, maybe. Some boys, villagers, and girls. Really funny. Wondered where that came from. I should find out later. Maybe I'll talk to NACG's kitties. Hello, what's your name again? Maybe you're Moonlight. Have you seen the secret villager? Oh, you sound really serious. What is this? It's nothing. Maybe that's another hint. How about you? It looks like Fluffy. Have you seen it? Or you? This is really weird. So thank you guys for watching. I know I'm wearing my swimming suit because I'm going swimming. in Minecraft. And also hope you subscribe and comment down below for my Q&A. And I want you guys to comment down below as well. That's really important. Not really, but this is like if it's happened to you or not. And it's really annoying for telling the truth. I don't really like it, so I might try to like find it later. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and also comment before, like I already say it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.